Morning time, my people. Morning time. It's me, Prophet Sinai, live on Sinai TV station downtown Kingston, Jamaica. Beautiful Jamaica. Yeah, my people. This is a true story from Bob Marley. Prophecy. You understand me? True story from Bob Marley prophecy. Because me see in a earth. Yeah, manager, big up. Me see in a earth where the people them a run rat race. If you remember the song of Bob sing, rat race, yeah, my people, is a disgrace to the human race. They make a jumbo jet your pass, that's so they can actually hear what me I say clearly, my people. As me been telling you, as be a fact, me not tell no lie, for one day me find out. Because God living at the hearts of him people who are his people, my people. And I find sign of everybody now to all me see a God people. You have some people where are the devil people themselves. Me not tell no lie, my people. That's like a lie me I tell. Seeing I mean him Prophet Sinai, and only a prophet can acknowledge a prophet. And me I talk basically for what me see a go on out of me eye. Me just jet your pass because me know me not tell no lie. Me know me not tell no lie, my people. Me there at my business place downtown Kingston, Jamaica. Me not tell no lie. See, and for the people them have an old people, I want to stop run the rat race, because me not run no rat race with nobody. Me not join the one day. See, me not in the evil world, my people. You understand me? Not because me not no pencil and pen shoot up in my head and my head wrap up like revival, but me know and see what I go on, my people. I mean him Prophet Sinai. You understand me? See, yeah man. As me for telling the people, and more on the top a ton on the back the people and all them. They sign the sign of the devil, my people. The devil people alone do the same thing there. People who work hobby and bad mind and no want to see no other good for no other body else. And that me find out I go on in the world. Morning time princess, and you enjoy the day, right? Yeah man, big up my customer them and my supporter them, my subscribers. Seeing both from Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. All who follow me on YouTube, Sinai TV station. You know, keep the link, my people, as me for telling you, make the jet them pan. Watch your jet jack, smoke. Smoke by the jet jack. I'll be a joke. I'll be a smoke and fly off by a jet jack. Watch this, my people. My airstrip active, me not tell no lie. As you can see, I'll be Argentina. Sort of France and Colombia down here, so you come down here. Argentina and France, my people, they are World Cup final, so you can zoom in on the camera and see it. And come down on my business place, come hold on to France, and on Argentina, Colombia. Make the check them pass. That's when you can actually hear what me I say, because I know me not tell no lie. Yeah, my people. Yeah, but one of the people who are run rat race, my people, I want to go ahead in life before people. You find them thing there. Find bad mind coming at them thing there. Me people. Just live, me people. God give you life to live. Just live, man, and make others live, man. See, unless the devil create Uno and God create we. Because as far as me concerned, you have God people and you have the devil people them. Because I want to say yes, but them heart not say yes, me people. Yes, my princess, bless up. Some people in the earth, when them say yes, them they do a thing for her, they will give a thing. Sometimes them no mean it, my people. See in the heart not did they? I just the word sound, my people. That's why me I want if you looking at yourself. When you not give somebody something, my people, give it from your heart. You understand me? You can't give somebody something and talk about it. That means you never give it from your heart. It's not from God. And that me I tell bad. Yo, me telling you this. Give from the heart, my people. Give from the heart at the last days this. Seeing and God not sleep. God live in the hearts of him people and who are him people. And I look down upon the element. I look down upon we. So me I want to know. When you now walk the way of them turn on the back and I run rat race. Always remember say God there before us. And I see everything what go on. Can't say me no want no manager big up on my life. You understand? Yes, these are the things. Make your job budget your pass, because me know me not tell no lie. Watch your hand, wings of fire one here, almighty God. Yo! Hold out on the piece of line, me. Me a close that one here, man. Me a give baby, me a mask. Come in, me a close that one here. I want to touch. Yo!